Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to change font size in Samsung Galaxy S22. So where to look for our font options and how to change its size. We need to go to settings first, then we are looking for accessibility options. Next, in visibility enhancements, when we scroll all the way down, we have font size and style options. And in here, as you can see, we have this slider right here, and we can change font how we want from this menu. No need to save, just back out from this menu options menu, and the phone will save our settings by its own. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.